Hey friends, want to know about our exceptional offerings? Well, no matter which account you choose, there's no maximum time limit. That's right, no clock ticking down, no rush, you trade at your pace. We understand the importance of giving you the freedom to make strategic decisions without the added stress of a time constraint. It's all about creating an environment where you can thrive. We're all about fostering consistency without creating unnecessary pressure. You've got the freedom to grow and learn without the ticking clock. No added pressure, just a freedom to explore, learn and succeed. Hey, wait, did you know if an account remains inactive for 30 calendar days, it will be suspended? So always keep this in mind before trading. This measure ensures that traders have sufficient time to engage with the platform actively, meet the required objectives, and showcase their trading expertise to be considered for an Hola Prime account. See you in the next video.